Did you know that in just the last decade, coconut oil's popularity has skyrocketed by over 200%? But it's not just for cooking. This versatile oil has become a household staple for a surprising range of uses. Welcome to today's video, where we'll explore the many benefits of coconut oil. From its traditional culinary uses to its surprising health-boosting properties, this tropical oil has captured the interest of health enthusiasts worldwide. For years, fats have been viewed as the villain in the diet world, especially saturated fats like those found in coconut oil. Many of us have been told that these fats can harm heart health or lead to weight gain. But is that really the case? Could coconut oil be the exception?
There's a common misconception that all saturated fats are harmful, but recent research shows that coconut oil offers unique benefits that go beyond traditional understanding.
Coconut oil has some amazing health benefits. It's packed with medium-chain triglycerides, or MCTs, which have been shown to support weight management by boosting metabolism. Studies also suggest coconut oil has antimicrobial properties, helping to combat harmful bacteria. And while some fear it could raise cholesterol, emerging research shows it may actually help increase good HDL cholesterol, contributing to heart health. Plus, coconut oil isn't just for internal health. Its moisturizing and healing properties make it a favorite in skincare routines. One of the most surprising benefits, coconut oil may play a role in brain health. Research shows that the MCTs in coconut oil provide a quick source of energy for the brain, potentially helping with cognitive function and memory, especially in aging populations. And let's not forget its use in skincare. Coconut oil's ability to nourish and hydrate has made it a beauty essential for glowing skin. From heart health to brain health, weight management to skincare, coconut oil is more than just a trend. When used mindfully, it can be a valuable addition to your balanced diet and wellness routine. What's your favorite way to use coconut oil? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to check out our next video.